This is Suzanne the Beauty Shaman, and we are making up Debbie. This is Debbie. She never wears makeup, so this is her transformational look. Beautiful classic red lipstick and wavy hair. Absolutely gorgeous. So how did I get there? Let's find out. We started off with some skincare, so I did some C serum, hyaluronic acid, and biomimetic mist, also known as the Truth Trifecta, to plump up her skin and give it this lovely shine and health. Then I used a little bend knife foundation with a sheer coverage. I really thinned this out because she has even skin, so I just basically wanted to give it a little bit of a shine and even it out a little bit more. Then I used a little MAC concealer only where she needs it. I think it's important to be careful as we get older not to use too much concealer and only put it in the very corner next to our nose, just to take out that extra bit of purple or gray or whatever is there. And then a very nice soft powder to leave her skin a little bit shiny. I'm using eyeshadow as eyebrow to fill in her eyebrows because I don't want any sharp lines. On older women, I really like just a very natural look. This is a little bronzer. It's a medium bronzer by Bobbi Brown with a bit of red in it, which I think looks really good on her warm skin tone. And I'm adding it because I just want to give her face a bit more dimension and warmth around the edges. So I use it kind of under and on her cheekbone and then a little bit on the high points of her forehead. Then I take a brown with a little sheen to it and just put that softly over her lids. She has a bit of a gray undertone on her lids, so I just wanted to warm up her lids a little bit. So it's very natural. Then this is a black gel eyeliner. So I use a thin brush and just apply it right between the lashes. I just want a thin black line to really make her eyes pop. This is a great strategy for Asian eyes, for small lids, for small eyes. It's a great technique to learn. I just use a thin brush and a little gel liner. I find the gel a bit easier to work with than a liquid liner in a pen form, personally speaking. But as you can see, I just slowly work at it, just slowly adding it. And you can see it's not perfect, which I don't really mind, because I can easily take a black eyeshadow and put it on top and even out those little bumps. I end up evening out the bumps a bit with the liner itself, but you can always use a black shadow, and that's the end result when both eyes have their black liner. Really opens up her eyes. Then we went for the red lipstick. I love this red on her. It's called Ruby New by MAC, and it's just a beautiful blue red. A deep blue red lipstick. Absolutely gorgeous. Really works well with her dark hair and beautiful eyes. I just think this is just a stunning color on her. Then I use a red lip liner that matches it. Sorry, my hair's in the way there a little bit. And I put that on after. And the reason is that I don't want it to have a lined look. Sometimes putting it on after can do that. So this is Melba blush. It's just a very warm peachy blush. Because we're doing that red warm lipstick, we want to stick with warm tones. I'm putting on an eyeshadow called Shroom that's a lighter color just to bring out the inside of her lids. It has a tiny bit of a shimmer to it, and I think it's really pretty. I want to add some glitter to her lid because her eyes can totally handle it. It's a gold glitter, and just pop it right in the center of her eye, and it just really opens up her eyelid. It's gorgeous. Then I'm using just a black. You can use any matte black with a crease brush, and I basically, as you can see, I just work with it because black can be very hard to work with, very hard to blend. So I just tap it in and kind of work with it in that outer edge. I'm just putting it in that outer edge because she has a little bit of an overhang there in that outer edge, and it just lifts it up just enough. So as you can see, I love subtle changes. So black is not subtle, but look at the difference as that's blended in. It really opens up her eye. Then a little mascara. This is Jane Iredale Beyond Lash. It's a non-toxic mascara. It's my favorite non-toxic mascara. really love this. I definitely put on a lot. I think I did 2 layers. Then I'm going to use an individual lashes. So you can buy these very inexpensively at the drugstore, and I add a little duo glue and just pop them right on that outer edge on both eyes. I love the finished product. I think she looks absolutely stunning. Please be sure to sign up for my newsletter at thebeautyshaman.com, and also hit subscribe and thumbs up here on YouTube so that I can continue to make really great content for you. Thanks for watching.